Hi everyone, good afternoon. Let's do our quick Tagalog WOTD. Our quick Tagalog word is dahan-dahan. 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 Slowly. Let's say that again. Dahan-dahan. And let's have an example. Dahan-dahan akong lumabas ng kwarto. Dahan-dahan akong lumabas ng kwarto. I slowly walked out of the room. Dahan-dahan akong lumabas ng kwarto. So that's all for our quick Tagalog WOTD. And I know I haven't been active sa Facebook page and I haven't done Tagalog videos para sa YouTube kahit na I've been planning to maybe try doing it every day. I don't really have time to do videos and mag-post sa Tagalog FB page. So there's just something going on sa bahay that's taking much of my time. And for more examples of reduplicated Tagalog words like what we have, dahan-dahan, check the info section sa baba ng video. I'm also going to put links there of my other articles. So that's all guys. Babush!